Walking repairs is a good idea.
Yeah, absolutely, Bill. Thank you. These two right here.
Out off the southeast main street. Through the light of the fountain house. Okay, we're able to say that it's Ken. Okay.
Pull down, pull down, pull
This is
down.
28-year-old John Papa. Learning that his missing wife was discovered in an abandoned house, brutally murdered and surrounded by satanic markings.
Wow. Wow. So good.
He's changed.
If true, Wayne's claims about John's violent behavior could shift suspicion towards him. But despite Wayne's accusations, something still doesn't add up. His story, with its inconsistencies and gaps, keeps raising suspicions. Because prior to this interrogation, detectives learned that on the day of Katie's death, Wayne arrived late to work, and he admits to walking near the abandoned house around the time Katie disappeared. More importantly, while at work, Wayne was aware that Katie might be inside that very house. Yet despite that suspicion, he never alerted authorities. Instead, he waited until the end of the day, went there himself, and only then called the police. All of this places Wayne squarely in the crosshairs of investigators, and unknowingly pushes them further into the real killer's trap. Because in the next few minutes, the interview will take a terrifying turn. Detectives unwillingly